Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cast iPhone photos to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just came back from a recent trip and you want to share it with your family and friends in a living room setting. So for this example, I'm just going to pull up some really random photos here on my TV. So let's go ahead and get started. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your Samsung Smart TV and your iPhone are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi network, okay? So that's usually a crucial step that people often forget, which makes it so that they no longer are able to cast their phone to their Samsung Smart TV. Next, you're going to grab your remote and then click on Settings on the left-hand side here. And then from here, you're going to click on General. And then underneath General, you want to click on Apple AirPlay Settings. So underneath Apple AirPlay Settings, you just want to make sure that AirPlay is turned on. Next, grab your phone and unlock it. And then swipe down from the top so that you pull the control panel up. Then you're going to see this icon that says Screen Mirroring. And then click on Living Room TV. So in your case, the name of your Samsung Smart TV might be different from mine. But once you're mirroring your iPhone screen, you just gotta navigate to your photos album, and then there you have it. Just click on some photos that you want to share on your TV, and you'll see that it now enlarges, and you just gotta swipe left and right. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cast iPhone photos to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.